Hi, welcome back. Another important session. In this session, we're going to see how to remove duplicates in Excel. Okay. If you'd like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel. I just separated this one as a playlist for your Excel knowledge. And Excel is very important every walks of life. Let's try to play with the data now. So if you look at this, how to remove duplicates. This is the place where you can able to click and remove the duplicates out of your lists. Let's try to learn with Excel example so that it will be easy for you. Okay, let me try to open one Excel. Okay, so if you look at this, I will show you simple example. Go to the new sheet, and for example, so I'll just try to put it Ganesh and Suresh, Mahesh. Okay. Let me try to. Okay. Come here. So let me try to put it here in the middle somewhere. I'm just making this data. Okay. So now if you look at this, okay, let me put the name. Okay. So for this, I would like to remove the duplicates. Simply, you can select total column, or else you can able to make the selection on the table. In this, I would like to remove the duplicates. Okay. It's quite simple. Come here, and so for example, if I say that if I select this, remove duplicates. Okay. If you click here, so total four out of 7, 4 duplicates are there. Okay. So it is got removed. Okay. This is one thing. It can be applicable to anything. For example, 33, 33. So let me try to put. In this, if you look at this, so these numbers are got repeated. I would like to remove the duplicates. So what is the advantage? So basically, all Excel functions, it should be based on total sheet or bigger tables and huge data. Don't think that, I can able to remove a row by row or else filter it and remove. So don't think like that. Okay. So if I see, it is saying, so it is the expand the selection or else continue with the current selection. Okay. So let's do it. Currently it is, so I'm just expanding means it is selecting this column also. If I say, okay, so see, 5 duplicates got removed actually. Now all unique values you got it. Okay. So let me extend this example. Okay. So let's do one thing. So let's try to check this. For example, this one, I would like to make it maybe last session we have seen, right? I would like to make it, this is a small table. Okay. So maybe let me make it this good on your turn. Okay. So this is name and this is number. Okay. If I make this, let's see this. Let's go for a style. Okay, I say okay. So this is the table it is got selected, or else I can able to do it. It will not for it. Okay. So for this table, okay. So let's select this and let's try to remove the filter. Now this is the data all about. In this table, so I would like to remove the duplicates. If I click here, so what it says, see now you can see Suresh if it is repeated, all right? But if you have So, but your complete row is not unique. If you look at this column wise, it's supposed to be deleted. So you see only two duplicates they found. Okay, let's go to Control Z. You see this Suresh with 2 and Mahesh with 1. Okay, so Mahesh with 1. So these two rows are matching. So this is how the system behaves actually. Let me highlight you duplicate rows here. So let's try to make it this one as this color. So here also Mahesh, if you look at this, so that means on table wise, it look for the data. Okay. In the similar way, Ganesh, it is 333. So this is here, Ganesh is 45. And here is Ganesh. So that Ganesh cannot be, I cannot able to. So whereas Suresh, if you see this, so I can able to find one more duplicate. Okay. Let me try to highlight with this yellow color so that you know. So these two, if you look at this, these two row wise are the same. Okay, Suresh. But whereas this Suresh is unique. This is how, if I would like to select it, so it will check. So both columns and rows has the same unique values, then only it will repeat it. Okay, so remove duplicates. So then it will be deleted out of 7 unique values. Okay, 2 duplicates, it is got deleted. This is how it works. Let's check with one example. So here, if you look at this, okay, if I select a total table, okay, so total, if I select this, you can able to see this total 952 rows and columns, and if we put together all those things. So if I select a particular column, it is 238 columns will be there. Okay. So if I have make a selection of this, it's a huge 239 rows and columns and all those things. So let's try to, so columns will be, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 only, but rows will be like this. Okay. So 4 into 232 multiplied by this, you will get a certain count. So in this, I would like to remove the duplicates. So let's take and save. Okay. So now see this, only 17 duplicate values and 221 unique values found. This is how you can able to do that. So if I make a selection from here, so from here to here, previously you have more than, now you have a 221 rows will be there. Okay, including header 222. This is how you can able to remove the duplicates. Okay, so I think you learn this. If you really like this video, if you'd like to get more inputs at my end, please subscribe my channel. Okay, this is the place where remote duplicates will be there, either rows and columns wise and table level, or else you can able to delete a single column level and a single row level also you can able to do it. Thank you so much. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.